Hey, what is up guys, my name is Rahul and in this video we'll be looking at a challenge called ZZZZ. So, oh no, somebody shuffled the alphabet. Can you please help us restore the message? So the flag is not wrapped with flag, so you'll have to do it yourself. So let us download it. MV downloads Nano. As you can see, the alphabets have been shuffled. So looks like a substitution cipher to me. So what you can do in this case, either you can use online utilities or you can use a frequency analysis. So thing about your online tools is that you can they automatically do frequency analysis, but here you'll have to write a code to do the frequency analysis. So without doing or wasting much of your time, I'll just do gedit, copy the entire text, because frequency analysis can take quite a while and then you have to map one character to another. So this requires huge amount of ciphertext, and that is the reason why they have given you so much of text. So let us use online tools, cipher analyzer, and let's just analyze text. As you can see, straight away says that it is a mono substitution cipher. Let us just paste it over here. Let us remove this part. Auto solve. So the first letter is supposed to be of 3 and the last one is of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. So this is the last letter. What a stupid song. So flag, it is not letting me copy, so let's just try another mono substitution cipher. Again, there's another website called decode.fr. It is a really wonderful site, so I've already pasted it over here. So we get the flag right away. So how do you know that you are not sleeping? So let us just copy it, submit the flag. For some reason it's not responding, so let us just try the next one. So this is steganography. So the cat no is not what it seems. Let us download the cat image. Sorry about that. Let's move download steganography. So let's EOG. As you can see, there's nothing much hidden over here. So let's just try strings. So most of the time what will happen is, even if it is hidden in the comments, you will be able to find it, but as you can see, we get nothing. Let us look for the end header. Nothing much. So let's try exif tool. But if you can find it in the with using strings, you can even look. You can you can skip this part. So the next thing that I did was I used Java or ZStack. First of all, let's try with ZStack. As you can see, there's nothing much over here. I even tried tag A for everything, but you won't find anything interesting over there. So I'd use Java tag jar opt stacksolve. So stacksolve is the last alternative that I could have used. Otherwise, one of the things that you can do is you can look into the pixels, but I am not much aware of that. So as you can see, we get the flag right away. Flag. I think it is text solver is very nice. So guys, for some reason it is not responding to my submissions. So thank you guys. This is it